Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni Napolitana machine. We did a tune-up on it and replaced the group head gasket and screen, descaled the machine, deep cleaned the steam wand, and we made the grind on the grinder finer. And let's go ahead and test the machine. There's our shot of espresso, and let's go ahead and make some steam. To wait for it to heat. So in this machine I adjusted the grinder while we're waiting for it to heat. I'll just show you this. It was on about 6 and I moved it down to 2.5. This will help get a lot more crema. 6 is a pretty coarse setting for this machine, but I'm hesitant to bring it down below 2.5 because it'll be too hard on the grinder. And ideally you would want it to be even finer than what it is, but I'm being pragmatic just so we don't put too much wear and tear on the machine. All right, let's go ahead and make the steam. Let's see, we got nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.